Hey, what is up everybody, it's Austin. The Itel S25 Ultra is here and it's turning heads. This phone just dropped, and let me tell you, it's packing some serious heat for the price. We are talking premium features without the premium price tag. You know, I love checking out phones that give you the best bang for your buck, and the Itel S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a real contender. So what makes this phone so special? For starters, it's rocking a massive 6.78-inch AMOLED display. That's right, AMOLED. This means vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible clarity. And with a 120Hz refresh rate, everything feels buttery smooth. Trust me, once you go 120Hz, you'll never want to go back. Now I know what you're thinking. A budget phone with a premium display? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, Itel didn't stop there. They also slapped on some Corning Gorilla Glass 7i for good measure. This means your screen is protected from scratches and drops. Let's dive in and see what the Itel S25 Ultra is all about. We've got to talk about this display. I mean, it's seriously impressive. We are talking about a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution that'll blow your mind. That means colors are popping, blacks are deep, and everything is crazy sharp. But hold on, there's more. This display is also rocking a 120Hz refresh rate. This makes scrolling through your social media feeds, browsing the web, and even just navigating the phone's interface so much smoother. And gaming, forget about it. Games look and feel incredibly responsive on this display. And to top it all off, Itel threw on Corning Gorilla Glass 7i for good measure. This means your precious display is protected from scratches and accidental drops. But it's not just about the specs. The Itel S25 Ultra also boasts a sleek and modern design. With its slim profile and lightweight build, this phone feels great in hand. Plus, it's got an IP64 rating for dust and water resistance, so you can take it with you wherever you go without worry. Under the hood, the Itel S25 Ultra packs a punch with the Unisoc T620 chipset. This octa-core processor is no slouch, delivering smooth performance for all your daily tasks. Whether you're browsing the web, checking emails, or scrolling through social media, the S25 Ultra handles it all with ease. And for those of you who like to game on the go, the Mali G57MP1 GPU has got you covered. This graphics processor handles most games with ease, so you can enjoy smooth frame rates and immersive gameplay. Now let's talk RAM and storage. The Itel S25 Ultra comes with different RAM and storage options to fit your needs. You can choose from 4GB, 6GB, or even 8GB of RAM for super fast multitasking, and with up to 128GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, videos, and more. So, whether you're a casual user or a power user, the Itel S25 Ultra has the performance chops to keep up with your digital lifestyle. Section 4. Capture every moment. Let's talk cameras. The Itel S25 Ultra features a dual rear camera setup that's ready to capture your best moments. The star of the show is the 50-megapixel main sensor, which captures stunning detail and vibrant colors in your photos. And for selfies, the 32-megapixel front-facing camera is no slouch either. It captures stunning self-portraits with impressive clarity and detail. Plus, with features like AI beautification and portrait mode, you can take your selfie game to the next level. But it's not just about photos. The Itel S25 Ultra also shoots video in crisp 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. So whether you're capturing memories with friends and family or documenting your latest adventure, the S25 Ultra has got you covered. Section 5. Power that lasts. Now let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any smartphone battery life. The Itel S25 Ultra packs a massive 5000 mAh battery that'll easily power you through a full day of use. And when it's time to recharge, the 18-watt wired charging gets you juiced up quickly. Plus, the S25 Ultra features bypass charging, which means you can keep using your phone while it's charging without worrying about overheating. But the S25 Ultra doesn't stop there. It also comes loaded with the latest Android 14 operating system, giving you access to all the latest features and improvements. Plus, with connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 and GPS, you'll always be connected to the world around you. And let's not forget about the little things. The Itel S25 Ultra features an under-display fingerprint sensor for fast and secure unlocking. It also embraces the future of audio with its shift towards wireless connectivity, ditching the traditional headphone jack. The Itel S25 Ultra is available in a range of stylish colors to match your personality. Choose from sleek black, elegant white, or vibrant blue. Overall, the Itel S25 Ultra is an incredible value-for-money smartphone that offers a balanced user experience. With its combination of a high-quality display, smooth performance, capable camera system, and long-lasting battery life, the S25 Ultra is a compelling option for budget-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on features.